Hello guys, I'm Azzy and I'm here to talk about my video for today guys. Okay, so right now the version 10.10 of Battletoads is out now, the update. Okay, but Sayaman Tomcat Reborn said no JRA collabs for us. Yeah, it didn't release an English version on 10.10 version, right? Maybe on the next update. Well, let's wait for Simon Tomcat to have an update about it. Okay? So now you may now start updating now the Battle Cats original. Okay? And then I think by I think when the 8 Stumble mode is released now, then start updating it. Okay, but now not yet. Okay, maybe by possibly tomorrow or the next day. Okay, maybe on October 31, maybe the update will be here. Well, I'm gonna check if there's an update already, right? Yeah, because it releases an update just now. Only the Battletoads original, not the Battletoads modes. Okay? So right now, start updating now the Battletoads new update. Okay? But sorry, I will not put the link in the description. Okay? Why? Because I recommend you. Okay? You have a Play Store, right? Since there's Battletoads in Play Store and App Store. Oh, right, guys? True. So, I guess that's it. Okay. There's more, I think. Okay, so here there's a name of a true form, I mean. Haha, it's not ending, I mean. Okay, so there is a train Sukrubustat. Yeah, it's the name is from the true form, right? Ponos got the name na. Haha. Yeah. Okay. So maybe that's it, and more stories to tell you. Okay. So guys, please read more discussion at the description below. Okay, I'll be putting lots of discussions at the description below. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and click the bell button to like. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.